Can AI make healthcare more human? In a world of rushed doctor visits and overloaded hospitals, AI offers a new path. But can it truly improve patient care? In Deep Medicine, Dr. Eric Topol explores how AI can restore empathy, improve diagnosis, and personalize treatment. Let's dive in. The problem with modern healthcare: doctors are overwhelmed, more patients, less time. Misdiagnoses are common, AI can help catch errors. Too much paperwork, AI can handle admin tasks. With AI, doctors can focus on what matters most: patients. How AI is changing healthcare: AI-powered diagnostics, detecting diseases faster. Personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individuals. Virtual assistants, supporting doctors and reducing burnout. AI isn't replacing doctors, it's empowering them. Why this book matters: real-world examples of AI in medicine. Ethical discussions on AI's role in healthcare. A vision for a more compassionate medical future. If you care about the future of healthcare, this book is a must-read. Final thoughts: will AI make healthcare more human or more robotic? Share your thoughts in the comments.